So we have West Coast Swing class followed by party
with Felipe Barros.
Yes,
The best teacher ever.
yes. Plan is, if we have beginners, I'll be teaching them things for complete beginners to learn, and if it's more intermediate dancers, I have a class planned for slingshots. So let's see what happens. Hi everybody, it's Felipe here, and I'm doing a little vlog of me teaching West Coast Swing at this event organised by my good friend Rodrigo. And yeah, just arrived. There's been a lot of traffic. I wanted to arrive about 7:30, and it's about 10 to 8, and the class starts at 8. It's a class potentially for beginners. If there's no beginners there, it's going to be for intermediate dancers. So let me give you a little show here of what we have. And this is the lovely view we have. So I'm just going up the stairs now to the venue. Rodrigo's going to be in there setting it up. Oh, I hear the door shaking. Could that be him? Aha. And here we are. Hello. Oh, beautiful. I'm the first one here. I thought maybe he had arrived. Ah, look at this. It's such a nice view. I'll show you out here. Look at that. And here's the beautiful room I'll be teaching. Yeah, West Coast Swing class, here we come. And so, plan is, if we have beginners, I'll be teaching them some nice things for complete beginners to learn. For example, the rhythms of West Coast Swing, but not doing too much focus on that, and left side, right side pass, basic shapes. And maybe they'll talk about energy, you know, stretching and stuff, but very simple stuff. And if it's more intermediate dancers, I have a class planned for slingshots, for like a normal slingshot, and then like a reverse slingshot and things like that. So let's see what happens. This is Rodrigo organising this amazing place. So we have West Coast Swing class followed by party.
With Felipe Barros.
Yes.
The best teacher ever.
Yes. And so what happened was, we had people come upstairs suddenly. Like, I thought nobody's going to come to the lesson. It was empty. I thought, okay, it might just go straight to a party. Rodrigo was saying that as well. We might not do a class. And then suddenly a group of girls came upstairs, and there was supposed to be a salsa class in the dance room downstairs. But the person had never came. I think it had already been announced that nobody was going to come, but they hadn't seen it. I think they were part of another group. So they just came and joined us. And I said, oh, do our West Coast Swing class. So they did the West Coast Swing. So I ended up doing a beginner class, and it was wonderful. I was able to make them laugh, and they learned new skills, and we had loads of fun together. So that was a huge success. And I have to say, the class was really positive, really successful. Got that fire in me for teaching West Coast Swing, which is great. So fantastic. So thumbs up, what a success. Woohoo! Dancer language in 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had our class today. We're just going to show you what we did today, which is the left side pass and the right side pass. Amazing, Lydia. Thank you for your help today. She did the leaders part as well. So we did the left side and the right side pass alternating. So 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Right side pass and a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left side pass and a 1, 2, right side pass afterwards. And I always tell everybody, smile when you're dancing, because we're having fun. We're dancing. We're not at work, so we're smiling. So I always have to smile at my partner, because we're interacting with other human beings. And that was our first class for today. Thank you very much for the video. Woo! Great, 1:30 in the morning. I'm really tired, but yeah, it's nice to be back teaching West Coast Swing, and I enjoyed it a lot. And guys, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on that subscribe button below, and click on the bell icon to let you know when videos are going to be published.